Hello and welcome viewers and subscribers of ABG News. Igama umxolisi Isibonge Sakoncube. Namhlanje sizodiscussa futhi njalo lobongana ngokwesithathu simlethe studio. Namhlanje sizokhuluma ngomculo wakhe. Mina ngokumazi kwami is a protest poet. Is also a community worker. But yena namhlanje sidlanda ukuthi azositshela kahle kahle ukuthi ephelele uyini Ncube. Welcome to the program.
Okay. Mina, I can say I'm a protest poet. I also do theatre. Maybe I started from theatre production.
Okay. What's the difference between a protest poet and an activist? Political activist? Because you're not protesting against racism, you're not protesting against this, from what I've heard of you. So what's the difference between a political activist and a protest poet?
No, there is a thin line between the protest poet and the activism, because actually Mina, I am an activist. Then I used politics as a poetry as a tool to spread the message. Actually I started being an activist. That's why izinto zami eziningi even my plays and everything it's also about politics, because firstly I became an activist, then I saw that the message can go through poetry.
Okay.
So that's why I always say I'm an activist more than an artist.
Yeah, but now how did it start? You came here South Africa in the 90s.
Yes.
Right? Then when did you start getting into? Did you start in activism or you started in poetry? How did the two end up mixing? Okay.
I started in activism. Do you remember before he split CMDC?
Yeah.
I came in the party. I joined activism. Maybe it was about 2004, I think 2003.
Okay.
Before he split CMDC, there was a guy who were accused of killing Unkar. I remember Nabo. So when Remember came, Nabo, Ketani and others, they formed an organization, Labo Sox. They formed an organization, ZSG.
Okay.
So ZSG, I joined ZSG. Normally, so I joined ZSG. Then I got politicized there. I remember one day I came maybe today. Then the next Sunday, anyone wants to say something, I didn't know what I can speak because none of my. So when I speak, people babble interest. When I spoke about babble interest, then after Nkulumile, I said approach Uzenzo, Dr. Zenzo Mo.
Okay.
Yabona, Utolezo Nyati was an MC then. Then Man Shai Salapo was approached by Dr. Zenzo. What Bongan, the way you spoke, Lapana, what I'd seen you can some Umuntu law almost not by right. I said, yeah, bo. Then he invited Umlamu Linkomo, or invited Ike Tandazo, or invited Muntamazana Batingu Reds. So about 5. Then we formed in something like a club for writers. So there was a book Mina Aingang Talang in Bala. An open can of worms.
Okay.
So Latin as a play later as a circuit down. So unfortunately organization in Azania Pambil was so upon about the motion Shubu was a TSG. Government tribal was the communist TSG who found about very much Kulabanda Shona. So in a case Liana A divide Daban. So Baba is cut so Guatua Kokonom you put up and I can't name him. Public or Mazaban, but why my Lempumala ever Tim Samaslam, Mazaban was it. So I can name, but that Maza Wakalapana Pan Ula, what out in a soldier, so tribe Aludan in Amatotan.
So there's a low wine at country, is he a Messava?
No, I'm not here to embarrass people. I'm not here to embarrass people. So the Lorana Quatina so blue a tribal, I won't die in a very near pet. So after that, so Quaseco separate upon leadership as it is Geon Catherine Ham, Wasala, Batesebe Hamile. because nabo babesima lo muntu owayeaccused la wayeku leadership yabona, so labo babengathi sebecalwa ukuthi hayi lina into zenziyabheda so ngathi kuyaliwa. So then after that kwasekufonywa iZimbabwe Action Movement iZAM yasilidwa uLookout Mabanga kuye nama is nominated as organizing secretary. Okay. So ngahlala ngeorganization, then I met Jabulani Sibanda, maybe Yamas, but not the other Jabulani, but Jabulani. He was up. So Jabu umuntu othanda ukucula yabona, uthanda ukucula. Hayi wayekashayi man, wayethusela. Wazi abantu abacha abantu yena wayengathandi kakhulu Jabu, just wayevocal yabona. Wayethanda ukucula, ethanda amahlawuzane ngomuntu waye proud ngezipho yabona mayicula into ayime-inspire kakhulu izipho. So wasebona mina ngenza ipoetry, wasesibongani but we can do something thina sicule and when you do ipoetry. Then we formed a group yaqala esithi iThemba laManguni. iThemba laManguni kwakuyimi osekhona manje ngu-Ephraim uMagutshwa. So kwakuyimi unguJabu kunguMagutshwa Mawaya is late, Mandoza is late, bese kusiba uNyamazana Sibanda Moses. So these two are late, then uJabu usekhaya, then lapha osesekhona nguMagutshwa lo Moses Nyamazana. So we formed that and we recorded our first CD, LLCT sesibuswa ngenkani. Mawaya was also talented poetry, he did poetry which was very powerful. While voice is very powerful, unfortunately wakula was she. So we continued from there. Then Zafika kwaba lesikhathi sokuthi now this group babengasekho active, then mina I took it, then we formed a bigger group yaba ne theater phakathi yabona, but it was still Themba laManguni, whereby we joined by people like Sithembi, Duduzile Ngwenya, Madabudabu, Manueli, Mathambo Xakalala, Nkosi Nchuma, Olindiwe Moyo, Nomabutho Ngwenya, Popeye, and bakhona manje sengibakhona Danisile. Yeah, Black Suit didn't, but Black Suit was sometime. Yeah, no, he was there. I remember. Yeah, Black Suit was there. Yeah, was there. Black Suit was there. Then we were doing plays. One of our plays, as I Ewin Brocade, was a great and with one of the most talented guys in Thailand, admire Manuel. He's one of great actors now, and we played Lapana Ewin Brocade, one of the great plays. ICT double standards. I wrote that up. I remember one of the directors who put Begliso Love. We went to him, because in the theater. Yeah, so I wrote so many plays. Konenye ikhuluma ngetribalism ethi kufihlelwana is a comedy, but kufihlelwana. Then after that I saqhuba sarekhoda iCD LLC Themba laManguni, LLC inkulu lendaba. Inkulu lendaba. Then after that angangisebenza labantu abakhulile balemisi bangathi asebevlapa. Then I changed, I worked with Usakamizi. We formed another group eyayisiwa iThemba lesizwe, where we produced Osibande nabo Gugu Kemlet, but the first one kwakungo Sibande, Ospoto, Pretty, Unambita Madlela, labo Sabelo and everyone. Kwakungama youngsters la. So we produced that group. Then later came Gugu, Ibanenje, ababebuya abancane on that day. So ngase ngiphazamiseka kakhulu kuleya group, because at the same time I was nominated as chairperson for Abalobi Bakithi. So kwasekungisinda, then I assigned someone which maybe I look bheke leya group kwasekusiba ne problem nyana yangasa function, because mina ifocus yami sibeka kakhulu kuBalobi Bakithi. So then I started recording solo 2015. My first album, War of Peace, which was more of a protest poet. So it started from there, because usually vele bengumuntu or noqashwa kumarally yeah nginoqasha ngomarali ngala record ngikhambe ngiyoperforma kuko Zap MDC MLF kuphi I work but wakhona sometimes uyabhadala kwesisikhathi ungabhadala kwesikhathi la accept ukuthi let me go and what not always yabo not always so but
but now mina usuvale imbali ende ngikuthole into engifika mina I came here in 2008 bekuvele sokulobonga ithemba lamangulu lisasekhona leso sikhathi beliloku perform especially lokuzenze Zap and I think most of the guys ngifika mina bese beku in fact iZap ithe iqala ukufonywa kuthiwa iya relaunch bese ngila and most of the guys abakuthemba lamanguni I think most of them moved to Zap to become EUP Zap. Now I've seen you involved in Kuthemba Lamanguni, I've seen you involved in politics as Zap, I've seen you involved in community work. As you have already mentioned, but at the end of the day, there are times where I end up seeing you also wait or into like for example Themba Lamanguni. I think more wait also abaye bonke sebayeka abanye sebengotsheketha abaye ba ama security abanye vela basisakwazi ukuthi banga look out I think se uteach ekhaya saya ku poetry of course impande ziyakhanya ukuthi zikhona kule ntange ezawayo zamila but now ku activism anzakuboni kakhulu ku politics what would you say is the main issue esilayo especially emathebeleleni ukuthi labeqala into libanengi usale usuyiwani not because you are benefiting but because you are passionate leqale inye ladela likhuluma ngabalobe lapho ukuthi most of the people abaqala abasele mhlambe sokusele ungwe wedwa wathi ngwe lo vodlozi yini eyenza ukuthi singabe le staying power in something like this guy uthe wabisela ikhadi leza walibisela ngokuthanda or because there was a time where I used to report kakhulu ngezapho guys like abomlamuli abomadabudabu abaxoxwayo labo Trevor then ube le group yabo Trevor kulabo Nelson Dlamini labo Tony abahambisa amakhadi sebefuna lokuchaya abantu wena wawukuyiphi group la
okay mina like angixoxwanga as such but what I hate kunye ngakuthandanga ukuthi mina I'm a tweet no matter.
Yes.
So people normally confuse us. You understand? So at some time mina ngezokuthiwa uMathambo wavinjelwa somewhere ukuthi bengangeni because people thought he was Bongani. Yabona so kathi kunabantu abane problem nami but okunye kwangisusayo ukuthi I was also a poet. So as a poet mina ngangibizwa endaweni anginandaba lokuthi people call as long as opposition but there were people who started complaining ukuthi Bongani why say perform MLF bekhohle ukuthi mina bangithole ngivele ngipoet maybe some of them didn't understand ukuthi Bongani vele simthole a poet
or they wanted to own you.
Yeah, they wanted to own me so ngabona ngizaba le problem in the future. So what I'm saying ukuthi okwenza mina ngingajoin political party is uba limited especially ungaba neschool you understand awusazikhulumela wena so khulumela party noma ulutho usufuna ukusola sokumele uhambe ngama protocols which is I was express the way so mina I want to express myself the way I want if I can say when asibani uyabheda today you understand uma ubhedile ngingasabi ukukutshela ukuthi ayindoda lapha uyabheda understand so sometimes mina I sit with people kule problem I've seen most politicians bafuna ukulwela abantu bengabathandi yabo that's into engisusa kakhulu politics whereby you find ukuthi abantu laba nxa usithi kunomuntu onenkinga simsizeni bayashaya away but bafuna ukuthi bavotelwe but how can you fight for people you don't love
so
bayazilwela bona to benefit yabona I understand that so they are using profit to benefit themselves because mina I can't mention names but kunabantu sometimes ngaba approach with them ato kunomntwana ngithi onenkinga so ubona abantu laba beshaya away omadoda asambenzi yo support into ethile ubona abantu laba beshaya but the same people are saying they love people how can they say they want to fight for people and how can you fight for people you don't love yabona you first have to love sikubona ukuthi genuine and then ususithi okay ngivotela but makuthi wena sikubona this guy mangikonta this guy abantu abathandi but ufuna ukuba user as a stepping to a certain point that's where ngcina sengisi distance ngithi mina ngikhonjalo
Yeah, then kule question enye ngikuzile lapha ethi wona yini eyenza ukuthi especially ku art abantu begcine bekanala.
First, what I discovered ku Thembela Mangolo, i-age sometimes iyashaya, yabo.
Okay.
Iyashaya ngoba abantu labana enganginabo bose basebekhulile, abanye usisebe namadoda, abanye kungabanumzana. So ukwenza i-art at the same time we parent and everything, and the art ayibhadali same time or ayibhadali mangasho. So and spend your time doing into ongabhadali ongalalokhuza kuba i-problem, then abantu prefer ukuthi ngihambe ngiyosebenzela and what. Ithemba lesizwe actually mina laphana I can say I abandoned them because mina ngasuka ngafocusa kuphi kuba lobby kakhulu, understand, kuba lobby kakhulu.
Why is it? Because kuba lobby kulolutho olutholayo ngapho ungatholi lutho or ipassion yakho ibisijintshile, focus shiftile vele usuzifunela wena ukubhala?
No, ifocus yayingashintshanga but kwasekuthi vele ithemba lesizwe is already there, liyakhiwe ngisho.
Okay.
So I can always assign umuntu onjengo Sibande ukuthi Sibande, I'm busy with abalobi, take care of this, understand, take care of this group because very sikhona yabo. Then ngapha kubalobi it was building yabo. It was building ubayakha from the scratch bakhulu, that's why ngaba kakhulu kubalobi yabo.
So igroup yasisayidile ngoba Sibande wayengafuni ucontrol kumbe angafuni ukuyiphatha or he didn't have the passion. Or lies the time is
maybe it was because I don't know exactly. I know Mandela was part of Ithemba Lesizwe. Mandela was always there ku Themba Lesizwe because mina I was more of a writer, but Mandela wawumuntu lona I invited Mandela kudala mina nayivele sazana from long day. So I knew ukuthi ama skills akhe ku directing is very good. So mina I would write a play, ngibhale play, sinikeze Themba Lesizwe, then Mandela will come and direct the play. So Mandela was always there, but why ngekho hands on, why kwangabafana bakabungana besinenza Mandela. So
that's Mandela besebenza nje.
So even if why ngela much power ku group yabo. Understand, but I think okunye mhlawumbe ngabe kwa step lapha ukuthi Sibande nabanye kwakuyi-size A1. Unlike so kwakuyi-size A1 maybe kwaba nzima ukuthi to control other people. I want us to look out of them. I ngazi look out bahamba kanjani. So I think okunye kwakumsinda lapha ukuthi mawula abantu kilingana sometimes they not normal. I don't know, that's what I suspect because you yet get the story from this one, the other story from this one.
Okay. I remember ngesikhathi ngifika lapha beli active kakhulu, especially like I've said entweni zezaphu ngelokuzeni ngearts here. I used to attend a number of your plays. You would invite me even ngisa kulenye otwa ngubani isikhokho.
Yeah, Banskok.
So but now everyone knew ukuthi nxa ukhulunywa ukuthi okay, there's a political gathering ekhona somewhere, we want someone to come and act. Babiza ubongani becomes one of them. Then labantu abakho isikhathi bafike be-act. I remember there's a play like actor, is it a Hebrew theater? Ngikhuluma ngeGugura Hondo or something.
Okay, yeah, an open can of worms.
Yeah. Then afterwards sezwa sokuthiwa so le sponsorship esesikhona, I think zasivela kumdala uGomede labo bantu labo Churchill Goduza. Esikhuluma ngeGugura Hondo, was sponsor something to talk about iGugura Hondo. Then you were overlooked. Sabona so la bafana uthiwa loloyibo. I remember baba lo Msindo lama became part of Msindo wangu, but why are these people doing this? Is it one of the reasons why abantu begcina bekhalala ukuthi bethi especially emaThekweleland ukuthi akula muntu who seems to be looking out for our artists? Labanye abacula bagcina bechile.
Okay, the problem engayibona thina kithi ne thina as a nation sihluphekile yabo.
Yeah.
Then siyazincengela yabo. The main reason why bafaka imali lapha it was because those boys were not us, babebuya from South Africa. You understand? So you hear business yakini omkhulu uzokuthiwa usponsor ANC enemali kumedlula. So the problem yethu uke wezwa la futhi kulomunye wasponsor inkosi whatever. So the problem esinayo thina it's not ukuthi later you'll discover no a problem ukuthi thina siyazincengela yabona la yabona. That's why they were trying to assist those guys more than us yabona ukuthi ukuzincengela kwabantu bakithi lokho. So but later you will see no that's why I always say sometimes abantu abakuxoshanisa mawubaleka logebhesi bakuxoshanisa mawubaleka lekhaya. Thina siyazincengela abantu labana because bana something angisho thina sinalutho. So ngakubona ukuthi no but okwenza abantu laba ba sponsor these things more than us ukuthi kanjani bayazincengela now.
Izinto ukuzincengela kumbe thina asizithandi because sifuna ukuvuna lapho bahlangene esingahlangenanga khona, let me say, or assistant, because why I'm saying this is even when it comes to music lo mzimba khona ongekho South Africa owemathebeleni uyabethanda music yase South Africa, not angifuni ukuzi argument ukuthi kuthiwe yiyo esizwa ku radio ngoba manje sokula ku YouTube la ku TikTok ziyachaya ingoma zemathebeleni zimnandi futhi eziningi. Ngakubona ufake uJC Rapper Dick ngambona ngawe ingoma lethi ungayithi imnandi kakhulu ingoma le baneni kodwa asilandaba labo sibezwe benjalo kusafana la kudala bakhona ku Spotify omazilankatha ambona ukuthi banengi abantu abangakompita layo, even wona ama South Africans you will find them bemdlalo. uThembi kwethengwa kakhulu ngama South Africans owe Sisters of Paradise, but kithi umuntu wakho uyabepha ngokubhekelwa phansi nje. Is it because khona manje kule show yakho khona yabila kumacheso izinto engizibone ezibhalwa there's a group okuthiwa ezinkulu zeRumba where people are supposed to be promoting iRumba. Bebefake that picture bathiwa sihlala silitshela ukuthi uBrema lo kafundi best laba sebesiyamchayelela phansi ucompare no macheso, but they are playing different things. uBrema udlala kwakhe okwensimbi zejwana, umacheso udlala kwakhe orchestra mbirikwazo. There is no difference ngabalalela bonke insimbi zejwana ngabeka la ubeka umacheso lapha akula difference, kodwa abantu bona kumele bapromote iRumba babachayela abantu. So is it because siyazincengela kumbe thina sizithandise zisonke?
Any mistake with arts ne?
Yeah.
Engiyibona inzima. If when arts is supported tribal ne, so kusiya ngepopulation yenu ukuthi ibaningi kangakanani, understand? So let's take for instance umculo waseNatal uKhuzani. Tina noma singamsupport Khuzani, we are just additional, you know, value the 4 million tina 4 million supporters angisho. Tina we just additional, but tina ukuze sithole 4 million ukuthi uthathe wonke umuntu wasemathebelele support compared to that's why I told ukuthi singathi even naseMashonaland angisho the population is high, so umculo wabo ne nxa bekusupporta uqala kubona owabo bavele baningi. Look at artists yase America compared to artists mhlambe artists yase America if mayizokhipha music before I support outside America vele bone America ngoba baningi they already. So I think umculo unokwenza futhi nani ne population, because sometimes umculo uqala usupport tribal, uqala usupport ngabantu bakini bese usupportwa ngabaphandle yabo. So even if eNatal, like let's take Maskandi waseNatal, even it's just a faction of Natal, almost I hear there are about 12 million people in Natal, even a faction yabona isupport umculo wethu ethile uyayithola support, but thina ukuze mhlambe siyoba thina sivele singangazi bese 2 million bese bangaki kumele simsupport sonke yabona suzo lo muntu lo aze abonakala. So ngokunye nakho okusishaya because umculo uqala vele usupport i-tribe yakho, then i-tribe yakho ikwenze wena uphumele ngaphandle.
Abantu bemathebeleleni ba above a million with not even 250,000 copies, just 50,000 copies an artist can live. Then I'll give you an example. Abafana beRumba fine balempisa babazilwayo ukuthi sebebaningi kakhulu, but the reason why insimbi zejwane sebengena eMashonaland manje is because abantu becholocho bayazithanda. I'll give that example. Insimbi zejwane zikhuphukile because abantu becholocho kanjani bayazithanda bona bodwa. Uma-Presa right now unama followers I think asefika 190,000. I attended an event yakhe eMalangeni. There's no event kama-Presa 1A la sponsorship isponsor ngamaNdebele. 2 engela high attendance. Even ngathiwa so le show ma pressure is an MC. Yathola abantu bechology begcwele so. You can sell. The first time there was a time where idayisa khona umzila wegolide umdala wogeli eyilonje. You will find people buying isithi kama presser nge-50,000 rands. Bengakwazi phakathi kulana. Then ubuye kulo Themba is born in Cholocho. People of Cholocho bakwazi ukuthi wazayo beCholocho. uThemba uyathi nxa yena record ingoma manje bengezwa ukuthi uThemba use recording. You will find abantu besuka ku Deep Salute etuphethe imali yabantu be Deep Salute bazothenga amasiki abangakalizwa. That's because bayazithanda. But generally wezwa umadlela beze bemthande iZBCs because abantu bemathebeleni our based in South Africa bemthanda. iZBC imdingile umadlela ngoba besimpromote, which shows ukuthi we can do it. But why singahlali sikwenza?
Okay. Not taking away whatever you say, laba bantu obabalayo bapushile. But ungabheka ama-artists from other tribes, they are not even close. They are not even close.
Yeah, that's true.
They are not even close. If you're talking about 5,000, lawa artists amanye ama-tribes, let's say the two biggest tribes in Southern Africa, which is Shona and Amazulu. Ngasikhuluma ama-artists abo, you can't put Mandlela next to them. Even ePhumelele njalo, you can't put Mandlela next to them. But they Phumelele very far, you understand? So, which goes back to us. The problem is Tina Vele. No mas Phumelela because of our population. You look, my countries are less populated. Njengabo Botswana, uyibatist ongathiwa eseBotswana.
But la ufuna bagcina yithe kina siba support
but
kulo V kulo Slice there was Franco, there was Don B obephethe nguDenjani.
Khona mangiqala ukubazwa ngawo mina ngazi.
Uyabona
Umuntu engimaziyo mina ngona ukhuluma ngayo nguSlice
kuphela.
Yeah.
Uviye umazi lo ucule lo Denjani ngoba othi kodwa bonani.
Vele ngabona usithatha isikhathi ngokufeature amazi. So sometimes what I'm saying you could sometimes population sometimes affect art because first you have to be supported ngabantu bakini. So labo baphumelele labo babalayo I'm taking bazamile ukuzimarketa ngisho bazamile ukuzimarketa the best way. But the problem is noma bengathiwa baphumelele bakude kakhulu nama-artists alawo ma-tribes amakhulu engiwabalayo in Southern Africa. So like not taking away abantu bakithi basupporta ngoba ngifuna ukuhamba maka mina mko ngezwe ngithi abantu bakithi abangisupporta yabe ngiqambela manga. The reason why mina I never took arts as a career, yabona. That's why ngizindlela ama-t-shirt ngizisebenzela ngihambe ngiyonjingela ngenze. I didn't take arts as a career, but mangathi mina ngizoba le launch, yabona, ngizoba le launch like the launch of my last CD uhambo. I give you keep a center poetic. Mina ngiyakhuluma about ngizoba le launch. Someone will come and say, mina I'll pay for the hall, maybe I'll pay for the sound, mina so abantu bakithi ba support. So but bese kushayeka kuphi? Sponsorship vela ngifuna ukuqamba manga mina ngiyasithola as long as I said I want to do something. Some abroad babe thenga ama-tickets like umuntu athi ngithenga 20 tickets will give you whatever you want. But that thing it's not enough ukuthi ingaphilisa ingasustain i-artist for a long time, yabona, because ama-sales abe low, yabona, ama-sales abe low because so that's why I realized ukuthi no, even if uthiwa usuccessful emathebelele vele you are just a fraction for amanye ama-artists esiwabona ephumelele. So that's why I choose no, the arts I don't take it as a career, I take it because what uzogcina usuzonda abantu ukuthi abakusupport, but you realize ukuthi abantu bazamile ngayo yonke indlela, but ama-sales wona vele azobe bamancane, yabona. So okwenza gcina abantu begcine besithanda izinto zekweminye imhlobo ukuthi ziyabe zi-famous because abantu abanikazi bazo baningi
bona hayi mina I beg to differ. Fine, like I say mina ngicabanga ukuthi I think it's about sections of Mathebelele, like ngakupha especially kulaba based la. That's why enza vele kwembuyele eCholocho mention ama-artists aseCholocho. I will tell you about sengutshele ngama-press kulabo zinja siyamlunga uzinja ziyamluma umonile iphume number 5 in the whole of South Africa kumaskandi and of course bengathi support abantu beCholocho kodwa but because abantu beCholocho supported him like usitsho ukuthi umele uqale kini and nxa usithi kini uzoqala ngani district. The reason why abafana laba abeCholocho kakhulu sebeziqhenya kakhulu ngokuCholocho so ngazathi vele sokulo section so ngazathi bonke bayayithenga iCholocho and oweCholocho uhlazibika ukuthi ngoweCholocho is because they know ukuthi abantu beCholocho bazosupport. There is healthy competition esivela ePlumtree ekuthini abantu bePlumtree fine abePlumtree bebebhizi kakhulu ngedevelopment angifuni ukubalekela lokho they are busy with their development but like arts sesingani siyababona people like Mr Bonds Allen Ndoda Indolwane imokisi naleyo engikhuluma ngayo iPlumtree but generally imathebe awula artists leGwando laziyo ngaphandle kwaThembi
uMahlela
uMahlela right
lo Prince
but now when sesikhuluma ngosephumelele you would say ukuthi ekhezi kwakula kondukusi kudala then kulo Mazilankatha but uMazilankatha usupportelwe not ngabantu usupportwe ukuthi ufake ingoma zakhe ukhuliswe ukuthi one uyikhuthalela into yakhe wathengisa ezitradini abomalayicha abathenga then uthi nxa iseyifaka online abantu besebezazi ingoma zakhe but I'm still not happy man. I won't convince ukuthi it's because of the population.
Was a trouble convinced ukuthi mina now success is a picture ngendlela different.
Okay.
Mina I'm saying these people have tried but successful but they are not anywhere close to other tribes yabona. Who do you compare when I'm from DT? Who do you compare in October Mfalo Shone?
Macheso.
Lo mncane Macheso.
Ujapreza.
Who do you compare lo Japreza?
No, lapho ngale mashona lenda kulo nje lo Japreza.
Who do you compare wena lo Khuzani? You understand? Who do you compare mhlambe lo Mthandeni? Understand? Baphumelele bona because bakhutele but they are nowhere close to
but ungaqala kini and abantu bonke bakusupport not because of vela khona because you are talented. Even somebody outside umntukuthi bamsupport emashona lena but umntukuthi bengahambi koBulawayo afika perform ehedwa because uJay is what I ndoda phela lapha ngigidi and at the end of the day umntukuthi uthe qala emashona lena South Africa bese sazakala Europe bese sazakala we have got uJay abantu bemathebelele didn't support him bamsupporta khonoko wena ukutshoyo ukuthi there will be some businessmen bethi asiya kurecorda siyakwenza lokho uJay is found more favor ku corporate world yasemathebelele than ku support base kulabantu kade sothi ungafaka uJay lapha theater sengehluleke ukuthola 50 people
vele abamaka
uyabona but uJay we saw him as your performer Austria in front of 10,000 Austrians, not Zimbabweans. Austrians, because he's talented. Uzeba bese bamnikane le collaborate. They gave, I think, they gave him a contract of 3 years. Ukuthi ndoda buya lapha annually uzoperformela abantu lapha because they were happy with him. That is a promoter in biz. So not because thina abantu bamathebelele simphakamisi. So that's why nsithi in a way asizithandi.
Okay. I think okunye sikhuluma ngezinto ezimbili ezingafani. Kulo mehluko ukuba famous lokuba successful. Yabona.
Yeah, but now a musician you can't be successful when you're famous.
No. Some people are just famous, you understand? Your problem is not. Most of our artists are just famous, but they are not successful. So sometimes amakama masuhlangana la mina one day there is one guy normally kudala ngisase active poetry kakhulu Studio 7 always played my poetry. Then one guy come to me uza nabantu yabona umngani wami is close uza nabantu kimi uza nabantu uyafika ungithole epakini uza nabantu uthi ufika uyabajoda hayi nguyibhongana Awusingambuza. Ngithi ngoyibongani oyenzele. Uthi hayi kade bengiphikisa ukuthi mangibatshela ukuthi ngiyakwazi wena. Ngithi bathi ubongani ohlale ekhuluma ku radio. But hayi unamanga wena. Understand? So there is a difference between ukuba famous nokuba successful. Kubhlungu ukuduma ungenalutho. That's the problem ama-artists akhe I face. You understand that they can be famous whatsoever, but masu siya empilweni zabo ukuthi the standard we don't match other artists our we can be sponsored but ama-sales abuya from abantu yiwo aphakamisa ama-artists.
Exactly.
So noma singathenga sonke simathebelele ndisithengile. Understand that we cannot match half yomuntu or say let's say abantu kuzeni. Serious.
Okay, let's continue. I've spoken about indaba ye-exploitation. Mina I would say sengikhuluma ngawe la. Kule ngoma zakho ezi-online. So akwadla imali online.
Angazi. Yazi ngeke ngazifaka kudala online manje azisekho uyabona. Ngangazifaka ayikhona ngeke ngakudraw but it wasn't like lesasikhathi kwakusesenama CD and kwakuyimadlana nje okuncane okungathe. You understand? So exploitation, maybe like I wouldn't say people have exploited me. Just with sometimes abanye bakuthemba bakuqashe egcina ungabhadalwanga.
Yeah, that's exploitation.
But akusinto ongathi hayi ingibisele emuva kakhulu yabo. I wouldn't say kulo muntu ongowa 100,000 hayi.
Yeah, but because always ungabi labantu abawa 100,000 is because there's no one out there who has appreciated you enough to say what you are worth 100,000. So ngathi baku 1,000 kanti bekufanele ubhadale 30,000. Right? So why I'm saying this is because I have seen you perform. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi ngeke ngakuphatha at some point. Namanje izapho ufuna imali yami. They hired you. They paid everybody else. Kwathiwa ubongani sizambona ngoba umntwana wasekhaya. They didn't pay you. Angazo MLF ukubhadala. But I'm not talking about you kuphela. Because when I believe you don't represent yourself. You have grown in stature ukuthi now represent every other artist, especially lase Zimbabwe, really based in South Africa. So you've performed endaweni eziningi ezihlukeneyo. Lawo MRP babhadala. Fine. Unyawatu zote hayi abambhadali kodwa ba attend imicimbi yami. It's two different things. Nxa uhayiwe you must be paid. Nxa umuntu attend umcimbi wakho they must pay. That's how an artist.
Yeah, that one is true because there is no way I can.
Do they pay you?
Yes, sometimes.
Not asking MRP kuphela. We're talking about these political parties. Wonke ehlangene ukuthi do they pay you? If they pay you, is it enough? Do you set the amount omele bakubhadale obona bawutshela ndoda naku sikupha lokho?
I set the amount but normally they don't meet it. Yabona ugcina uzothiwa thina singakhona lokho.
Then you say perform.
Just okay because as I said mina I didn't take arts as a career. So I use the poetry as a political tool. So mina that's why I always say mina ngeke ungithole ngisithi vote for me and what yabona sendele message ngicela ungivote. No. I don't believe in that because I'm not an artist. I believe in changing the mindset of our people in order to fight for their freedom or in order to ukuthi bangancindezelwa. I understand. So that's why I told ukuthi even if bethi banginike change I'll just say ngizofika perform i-poem one, what do I lose? Noma bengathi banginika that 10 because mina ngiyabe sazi ukuthi rent yami ibhadelwe. Also have some small businesses who engwayenzayo just for my benefit's sake. So ngiyabe ngihamba khona phana just because mina i-idea yami is not more of entertainer. No, I want to educate people. I want to tell people the truth. Ngifuna ukubathunuka bakwazi ukuzilwela. I understand. So i-pride yami isekuthini how many people have I changed in mindset yabo to think positive, to stand up, bengavumi oppression. More than let's say
artists, stand up.
More than like for instance, take I feel pain. People like Opet Dube understand that if they're not paid, they baphila nge-arts. People like Omajela, if they are not paid, those are entertainers. You understand? That's entertain. Mina more of a educator. I'm more of someone or ozamshintsha mindset yabantu. That's why music kwami normally une certain people who like it. So unlike I don't entertain me. I like to conscientize, if I can say. Poetry is for conscientizing more than entertaining. So that's why sometimes as long as they say baba keep imali ukuthi ngikwazi ukugibela ngiyefika lapha, then I go there ngiyoperforma and ngiba happy with everyone. Uyashintshela umqondo, yabona.
Yeah, but don't you feel ukuthi, let's say there is a Mxolisi Ncube here wenza i-arts kumbe i-protest poetry for a living. You've mentioned to Opet, he's a poet, a brilliant one. Then abe sebuya kimi umuntu athi ngile function yami lapha ngicela ungicharge 5,000. Abe sese noyahlanya yabiza ubongani. Sengicindezekile because wena uvuma imali encane. So you are no longer conscientizing ama-artists ukuthi lingavuma ukuncindezela. No longer conscientizing these people who hire them ukuthi lingabancindezela.
Okay. Hey, I'm one kind. I remember I assumed umsebenzi ngelanga. I remember working with companies there. When I came there, ngangasebenzi of course. I came there. Ngizokuthiwa i-manager le ikhoshela umfana lo because bebemzonda bevanga intombazana. You know, when I heard the story, I removed the t-shirt, I took up the apron and say, I can't work like this. I'm that guy vele mina sura. Ngifila ipain kakhulu umunye umuntu mayengindezele. Lokho sokungenzeka if wena ungitshelanga, you understand? If wena ungitshelanga ukuthi hayi ndoda besiqhasha ubani what, then I'll come. But ungangitshela futhi angiseze ngifike ngizokutshela if you have done this, I can't work with you because mina into engipushayo ukuthi abantu bangancindezela. If wena usuncindezela omunye umuntu because of me, usungcolisa le gama lami lapha. So if ungitshelile vele I won't do that, yabo. Because kimi umuntu vele akumele angincindezela omunye, you understand? So mase igama lami selikhona lapha nekuthini wena uze wayenza so, then ungangitshela vele I don't do that unless if sometimes Opet, I remember we were for sometime at Abbott Lapana, bekumele ngimcibini so angisho but angisakhona, can you mhlambe do this, understand that so yeah lapho siyavumelana, understand? So but ngako ukuthi wena as an umuntu oqhasha artist usumreplace ngami and mina bese ngidiscover I don't go there.
Okay, and then the kind of music that you are in or the kind of poetry that you are in, the plays that you write in a country where we come from, siyakwazi ukuthi lokwenza njani. Have you not met ama-threats or harassment abakaze bakubamba abantu?
Engakusho ukuthi abakaze bambamba bame but ama-threats maningi. Not actually threats. First people who approached me bang approach a career but bona bathunyiwe bazomkhuza, yabona babe nawedoda ehamba ngenye imoto nje enhle Almera bathi bona bathunyiwe ukuthi bazomkhuza bambuza ukuthi ngano why are you doing this? Lami ngangabe le mpendulo straight but okay thina singabantu baki udlala ngengosi lapha sithunyiwe ukuthi sizokukhuza and stop this and we have got an office somewhere here in South Africa and wena ngikulazi yabona le banjela ukuthi le underground kuphi, understand?
But bathunywe ba nguhulumende? No,
those guys when they came they said bathunyiwe ngathi obani mase sithi kushuthi nali ngama-CIO bathi kimi no omunye wathi no when asoma CIO omunye wathi hayi bhuti wami uyi-CIO, yabona wadala njani populist bathi bathi abathunyiwe ukuthi bazomkhuza. Bakhona abanye ababengilandelela abanye bagcina belandelela lo nkosikazi wami, abanye ngesikhathi bakhona abanye ngathi ngihamba ngisesiyangena eflatini bambiza babesemotweni bathi kimi indaba ngizonda amashona. I was like ngizonda amashona, I have never said ngizonda amashona, understand? But hayi so yabona babebhakile nje like eminyango eflat mina ngizongena, so which was like it was telling me ukuthi vele abantu kade belindele mina ukuthi bambuze that question, yabona. So it was simple saying nxa usicabangisa ukuthi lapha kade ngizo-threaten lapha just that question phela but angakaze ngibanjwe angikaze ngichaye umuntu just ukuthi ngiye kuphela at some time ngezokuthiwa kuthiwa mina ngeke ngidlule ebhoda kunezithombe zami kuthiwa ngesikhathi politics but I've never tried to go home leso sikhathi angibona ngalutho ngangisizwa kuphela ngento okuyinzobethe yabo. So I won't say kwaba le threat enkulu mhlawumbe kodwa sengeke ngabotshwa ngagcinwa kwenye indawo no hayi wethuselwa yempe bakhona abanye la abantu bezana ababethatha amashazi khona omunye esakela isiphilisana lapha bathi uzangiqhuma ama pieces ku Facebook la what he did like what criticize ipoem yami Why Africa then abantu basebem-attack mina ngazithulela mina normally I don't respond umuntu mangibona ufuna ukuthi athole indlela yokuthi axabonela then abantu bamatha yena wasegcina se-attack mina ethi laza ngibona khona uzangiqhuma amaphisi
umuntu omazi
angimaza we never met so but awekho that big ama-threats nje awayikhona sometimes ukuthi alo uthatha ama-chance lona understand.
So ekhaya kodwa uyahamba freely?
Ngiyahamba kule ekhaya. I remember mama my first album ithemba lamanguni inkulu le ndaba ngathi ngifike thina salithatha salifihle suitcase ongankathi la ndaba elikhulumelana ngomgama so but bayasaba yet my big bro bhuti omdala la izokuthiwa ikhuluma idala fana ngangisentshela umunye ubhuti wabamdala ethi ufana la waduba ungena into zepolitiki so babecabona mhlambe ngokuba khona bami they will be threatened on whatever but hayi kuningi nje.
So abantu bona abathenga ingoma zakho bathi bathi bayadlala ekhaya ba free ukuzidlala kulo sekwa threaten ukuthi kanti wena what is this that you are playing?
Ngiyangizwa ngabantu umbhaceza izweni bathi yake yadlala ngesikhathi stadium ukudlala iHighlanders.
Okay.
Ngezwe kuphela mina kuthiwa ncube ngazoyizwa futhi ngelanga uyiwe ebhalapho lapha izanu ize ibhane indaba yesebhalapho lapha ngezwe udlala umbhaceza izweni. Why Africa ngizokuthiwa yayidlala eBotswana National. So first War of Peace khona yazi yaphuma e-newspaper ngandini what inayo nje namanje sekhona iqala mina ngayibona isiphumile kuzimu kuthiwa Zimu what kanti newspaper yasekhaya besithi every khumbi yayidlala base bayichasisa bona from ilokuzeni from ukuthi lachithwa nqatshana kwenze njani igazimo base bayiqeda bayichasisa ngani esilungu umuntu la besithi bathi every khumbi ephuma egodini lapha was playing that poetry yabona babhala ititle yabakuthiwa Ndebeleze it find a way to fight ZANU-PF yabona after ukuthi kwakule ingoma futhi yabanqobi bomhlaba understand. So bayibhala kanjalo ngizokukhumbula like but ungangena ku internet uzayibona i-stories zakhona where they said every khumbi was playing ibhaceza izweni.
Now you have so many poems akhuluma ngokungalingani kwabantu eZimbabwe, but you also have some poems which speak to the whole of Africa. Why Africa? Why? It's a broad-based poem ekhuluma nge-dictatorship kakhulu ese-Africa lokubulala ngama-Africa. Where do you get the inspiration to write this protest poetry?
Okay, firstly mina ma-history mina ngakhula into ezingifaka kakhulu ku-politics i-pain. Mina ngikhule kabuhlungu I was intelligent esikolweni. I'd seen ubaba befaka isibhamu emlonyeni ku-ground umkhulu wami bamshaya wamnqamula imbambo zahlaba ngaphakathi washona. So ngagcina ngafundanga mina ngayo esikolweni ngagcina e-primary school. So ngikhule naleya pain, you understand. So mangibona umunye umuntu outside noma kuphi encindezela omunye umuntu ngizobuhlungu yabona ngibona omunye umuntu encindezela omunye umuntu ngizobuhlungu be wherever you understand that whether it's in the world where there is Africa vele kuba buhlungu ukubona omunye umuntu ephila esesaba omunye umuntu understand. Ngikhule ngobuhlungu understand. So ngabona ubuhlungu bokuhlala ungenamandla uncindezela ngomunye umuntu ngabona ubuhlungu bokuthi uhlale wena uphile but usesaba omunye umuntu. So this thing here ends ukuthi ngibe nesibindi understand ukuthi noma kuthiwa lento le oyenzayo ingakufaka engozini but as long as I have saved abanye abantu yabona. So ukuze ingene kuma poem Why Africa and Where Did We Go Wrong, those poems especially Where Did We Go Wrong ngiyabidlala manje ku what you call radio le talk show what in 702 and whatsoever understand. So where did we go wrong? So ukubona nje omunye umuntu kimi encindezela omunye umuntu khumbuza lo buhlungu engikhule nabo yabona engikhule ngibona abantu bakithi bengaphansi kwabo you understand that thina sasithi noma sisebancane thina sithanda yazi abantwana masebesuthi bedlile bayathanda ukucula egumeni gogo wayigcine kucisha ukukhalela isinyembezi athi lizosibizela ukukhatshana you understand so wawubona abantu bakithi ba oppressed yabona so by feeling that I don't want ukuthi omunye umuntu akufile you understand so okunye futhi engikhophe ukukhuluma ngakho is my school my future because mina ngiyanga esikoleni ngayizi pain yokunga esikoleni I didn't want ukuthi omunye umntwana aface lokho ngakufisa that's why I started the project IT my school my future to send stationery because if pain yokuthi umntwana o intelligent because I was very intelligent at school or intelligent anga esikoleni ngiyayazi and I don't want omunye umuntu adlule kuye same applies ubona ukuthi omunye umuntu oppressed it doesn't matter ukuthi kuphi understand it doesn't matter where is as long as someone is oppressing someone kuyamthinta mina ukuthi no man umuntu kumele azalwe ajabule aphile mhlamba bese sidlulele emhlabeni naye uphila ngaphansi kwencindezelo yikho kwangenza ngaba inspired.
Okay, so what is the way forward now ngoBongani the protest point?
I think mina nokuthi that was my last album uhambo but abantu bayithanda kakhulu that album but mina I think I've done enough because I've inspired youngsters yabona ababuyileyo and I've seen them taking poetry beyifikisa lathi na mhlambe labo nabanye abonqindi abo Walbert Nyate. I've seen these youngsters taking poetry to a stage where thina la sinayifikisa ngakhona which is pride yami yabona and I've done if I'd seen mina abantu abalobi ne ababangela ndlalo ababangela platform sebene platform sebele ncwadi zabo ezifundwa esikole then I said to myself but I've done enough and I've inspired young poets ukuthi ba perform and what I can do now is let me give them a guidance yabona ukuthi okay if you need this do this and whatsoever if you need, behave like this you understand but I think now there is not much I can say will come from me other than like inspiring young poets and giving them hope what you can live as young writers kanjalo but for now I don't say I will do much sengifisa nje kuphela mina ukuthi ngihambele ekhaya and start some form of a living yabona normal business and I think I've done enough. I inspired actors people like Toba Nosbande those are famous actors some people know Osbande more than me you understand I'm not known but so kuya kuyo Osbande umyozo batshela ukuthi hayi phela mina ngibuye ezandleni zikaBongani because they know him they don't know me yabona so but I think I've done enough.
You talk about poets that you have inspired but why are many of them not recording? Because engwazi seba recorder sibili umuntu ongathi yena has got an album has got some stuff esikhona laphayana se poetry maybe nguThembi uProsperity uloku recorder ngimbone efake ku Facebook but I don't know ukuthi she recorded something wayifaka online as some form of trying to get to earn a living out of it.
I wouldn't have a correct answer because nami it took time ukuthi ngize ngirecord an album yabona and then siyafika isikhathi ukuzizwa ukuthi uready now ukuthi even if mina ungacheka mina maybe ngarecord album manje but ngize ngirecord enye after 5 years because one thing for sure you don't go akufande entertainment you don't go there to entertain you have to make sure ukuthi lento le irrelevant yini for poetry is not that easy bona irrelevant for ilokuzeni so but what I can say ukuthi hoping in future vele bazo recorder but they are not yet ready for record
siyabonga kakhulu silobongani la angazi ngisingavalelisa abantu mhlambe kukhona ukuchisekisayo ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ungasuka ukukhuluma.
Okay, I want to talk to my people about us as a nation. Mina I always say thina sine problem ukuthi today siyabandlululana siyisana and we are dividing our nation. But if ngabheka thina sodwa I'm not being tribal but masisodwa thina emathebeleleni masingahlangana sivumelana ukintulu look at us now yithi esaqathekisa ukuthi umzilikazi wabuya eNatal amaZulu alandaba lento because abaceli lutho kithi yithe sabalulekisa ukuthi izapho yayisebenza le ANC ANC siyakhohlwa lento le so kuyi history kuba banandaba na it's because siyahlupheka angisho that's why I said I always say sometimes ungcono ukulunywa inyosi ngoba inoluthi kulokulunywa olonyofu because angithole lutho understand labo basibheka kanjalo ukuthi laba bangaze basilume kanti siyatholana kuphi understand so masibaluma sibahluphe endaweni yabo sifana lolonyofu they benefit nothing from us so what I'm saying ukuthi as vendors, as Sutus, as Kalangas, as Ngununs, as Tongas, if we come together and unite, we can build our great nation. In nation engeke icele lutho emuntwini. In nation engeyamanga ebantwini basempumalanga or ebantwini bakwenye indawo. Understand? So that's my pain. And if one day our people can come together with one voice saying we are united as a nation, that's my wish. Ngiyabonga.
There you are, ladies and gentlemen. Igama Ngubongani Ncube. He's a protest poet, he's a social activist, he's everything. Uthi yena kasibambaneni. Kungakhathelekile ukuthi wena ukhuluma luphi ulimi, uzalele kusiphi isiqinti, kumbe kusiphi isigodi. But as long as ungumntwana ikakhulu wasemaThebeleland, asihlanganeni siziphakamiseni. I believe ukuthi lami this is the time where we are now. This is the carrion call yokuthi asiqaleni ukuzithanda thina. Singazithanda sibe imbumba kulo zonyathela phezulu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it. But lawe lapho khona makulento oyenzayo ofuna ukuthi sifake kumabona kude, xhumana lathi.